Okay, let's begin. All right, so right now what I'm doing is I am using powder on my eyebrows, and I'm using the Maybelline powder in the shade 360. And the reason I do this is so my brows can last all day. Like, once you use powder before doing your brows, trust me, it makes a big difference. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills spoolie, and I'm gonna outline my brows. I'm not gonna fill them out yet. I'm just outlining the shape of my brows with this Brow Wiz pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm not gonna speed through it because I want you guys to see the exact speed I do, like I the exact speed I do my brows. So I did the lower part. Now I'm doing the upper part of my brow, and as you can see, this is how it looks. Then I just brush it, kind of blend in, you know, like right there. I usually like lengthen my brows so they won't be so far apart. Like, I just need to take the microblading class because the way I be finessing my brows is ridiculous. Yeah, so I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And remember, guys, your brows are sisters, not twins. Okay. So I outline it with a brow pencil or whatever I'm using at the moment first, and then I fill in the brow. So when I do them like this, I outline it with a pencil, and then I go in with the I'm going in with MAC. So I was using Anastasia or Anastasia or whatever, Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. So now I'm gonna outline it with the dip. What is this called? The fluid line brow gel cream. Y'all know what I do the same thing all the time. And it's so much easier when you outline it to fill out the rest. I wish I had them clips, like one more hair. So I like to stop where my real eyebrows start, and then just take the spoolie and try to like blend. So that's the one to make these. I want it to look like, you know. Give me away, can't fuck with these niggas is gay. Oh my god, screaming close me. I don't know how bitches be like doing that whole cause the eyebrows be literally touching and then they just conceal it. Like, I don't know how to do that. So I'm happy with how they look at the moment. Now I'm going to, you know, clean them up. I'm using the concealer by Fenty. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 410. Take some. Okay, I see one there. Now I'm cleaning up my brows with some concealer. You guys want to make sure you're taking your time with this part, because trust me, if you mess up, you're gonna have to go back over with the pencil and do this and do that. So trust me, take your time with this part. I'm so sorry for the lighting in this part, but it gets better. And then I just drag the concealer down and put it on my eyelids, because my eyelids are kind of dark for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm doing the same thing with the other side, girlfriend. Yeah, just take your time. I'm doing it a little bit, like an inch lower on this side, and I'm just gonna use the concealer and on the brush and just bring it up. Yeah, but still go slow and take your time. Okay? Okay. Oh yeah, I got contacts now, guys. Yeah, I gotta see my glasses no more. No, I miss my glasses though. But I don't miss my glasses when I wake up. Yeah, so I'm just using this blending eyeshadow brush, and I am buffing the concealer into my eyelid and my crease, on the brow bone, you know, just to get like, you know, a nice finish, a nice smooth finish. After this, I applied some eyeshadow, but you know, this video is strictly on my brow. And I'm sorry, I didn't even get a clip, but I used the foundation, my foundation shade, and I cleaned up the top, but somehow I did not record that part. But yeah, I hope you guys loved this updated eyebrow tutorial, and just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I already said that, but yeah. I'm just going to set this with some Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm gonna put that everywhere. I place concealer, and then later on you're gonna see me dust it off with a blending brush just to get the excess off. But you guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching me, supporting my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so you won't miss any more videos from me. I love you all so much. Bye. I'm gonna just lightly dust off the excess.